Hello and welcome to the presentation on health insurance. The aim of this presentation is to make you understand about the benefits and features of health insurance. What is health insurance? Let's have a look. It is a contract between the insurance company and the policyholder. Policyholder pays premium for the policy, whereas insurance company pays the medical expenses incurred by policyholder. Company will either provide you reimbursement for your medical expenses or the company will process cashless claim, which means that the company will directly pay to the hospital. Why health insurance? Following are the benefits of health insurance. First, cashless hospitalization. Second, employer health insurance is not sufficient. Third, cover pre-existing diseases. Fourth, cover pre and post hospitalization expenses. Fifth, financial security. Sixth, save taxes under Section 80D. Seventh, peace of mind. After taking health insurance policy, you can enjoy your peace of mind. Types of health insurance plans. There are different types of health insurance plans: individual plan, family floater, senior citizen plans, maternity plan, group insurance plan, personal accident plan. Individual plan, a plan for single or an individual person. Family floater, a plan for family which may include husband, wife and children up to the age of 25 years. Senior citizen plans, a plans available for the person aged 60 years and above. Maternity plan, it has a provision to cover maternity claim. Group insurance plan, a plan offered by your employer. Personal accident plan, a plan which provides cover in case of accident only. Expenses covered in health plans. First, inpatient hospital expenses. Expenses incurred when the policyholder is hospitalized. Example, room charges, medicines cost, ICU room charges, OT charges, expenses for medical tests, X-ray, scan or MRI. Second, pre or post hospitalization charges. Medical expenses incurred before hospitalization or after hospitalization. Generally, health plans cover 30 days before and 60 days post hospitalization expenses, but some plans are offering more than that. Third, other expenses. It also covers other expenses such as ambulance or other miscellaneous charges. Fourth, daycare procedures. Due to advancement in the technology, you do not need to be hospitalized for more than 24 hours in the hospitals for some of the daycare treatments like cataract, ENT treatments, etc. Sixth, health checkup expenses. Some of the plan also offer the facility to reimburse your expenses up to a certain limit for normal medical checkup or other medical tests. 7. Daily cash allowance. Not many, but some of the insurance companies offer daily cash allowance if the policyholder is admitted into the hospital. This is a kind of miscellaneous expenses which may be helpful to bear transportation, cost or food expenses. 8. Domiciliary expenses. Sometimes patient is not in a condition that he or she can be moved to the hospital, so treatment has to be given at home. Key factors to consider while taking a health insurance policy. First, waiting period for pre-existing diseases. Pre-existing diseases are the diseases that a person has before buying the policy. Some of the pre-existing diseases do have a waiting period of 2 to 3 years, vary from company to company and plan to plan. Second, co-pay. Some of the plans do have a clause of co-pay, which means that you have to pay a certain percentage of the claim to the hospital. Example, if your policy has a copay of 10%, then the policyholder is supposed to pay 10% of the total claim amount to the hospital. Third, lifelong renewability. Your plan should have the provision for lifelong renewability, means that it should have a provision to continue your plan lifelong. Fourth, room rent. Very important point to take care while you buy your health plan. Some of the plans come with room rent limit, while there are plans where there is no per day limit on the room. Exclusions. This is what is not covered in the policy. First, the policy comes into effect after a waiting period, usually 30 days from inception, except hospitalization because of accident. Second, pre-existing diseases and other specified ailments may be covered subject to a waiting period. This usually ranges between 2 to 4 years. Third, some of the plans do not cover maternity or newborn expenses. Fourth, health policies do not cover the expenses incurred on cosmetic treatment, plastic surgery, hormonal replacements, etc. Fifth, genetic disorders, psychiatric disorders, unnecessary diagnostic tests, treatment, post-care procedures. Tax benefits. First, premium payment made for health insurance premium quality for tax deduction under Section 80D. Second, tax deduction for health premium up to Rs 25,000 can be claimed for self, spouse, children and dependent parents. Third, Hindu undivided families can claim tax deductions for insuring members of the HUF. Fourth, tax deduction in case of senior citizen in this financial year has been increased to Rs 50,000. Hope this presentation will help you to plan and choose well. In case of any query, you can write to us or call us. Thanks for your company. Our next topic will be on SIP, Systematic Investment Plan. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to smash the like button, comment down below and subscribe to our channel.